Guys, good morning Boracay, good morning world. And we are again jogging with my best friend from the house Mount Loho, and now we are here at going Puka Beach and Ilig-Iligan. This is how you going Puka Beach, guys, because this is two-way. The left, wait, where am I? The left is Puka Beach, tama no? The left and the right, and then the right is Ilig-Iligan Beach, guys. This one, this area. So tama, pag dito ka is right. Because it's two-way, guys. This is if you want to go Ilig-Iligan Beach, this is Ilig-Iligan Beach. That's going Ilig-Iligan Beach. And then if you want to go Puka Beach, that's the way, in the way. Come on, let's go. Start our new day. And born pa, ay, Ilig-Iligan ba tayo? Sige, tara, tapos Puka. Another day, another jogging, guys. And born fats. Sorry guys about my English, because my English is not really good. Because I have a foreign viewers, they don't understand. If I speak Tagalog, guys, I don't understand the people, you know. The people really mean. You know, some of the Filipino really mean. You know, I only speak, I'm just telling you guys, I just only speak Carabao English. My English is not really good, ha? Kaya bahala kayo dyan kung iba siya ako. Buti nga di ba? Carabao English pa more. Come on, mahal! Let's go! My best friend texting. Texting again and texting. Did you know, guys, the other YouTuber also, he live here, Kuya Benji de la Cruz. Gising kaya na. Hindi ko alam, guys. I didn't know where he live. I didn't know where is his house. I think somewhere here, you know. Guys, if you want to visit Ilig-Iligan from the mall, this cost for the tricycle is 150 peso, guys. Yun. If back and forth, it's 300 pesos. So you know. And also the same also from the mall in Puka Beach, the same price also, guys. Guys, I want to show you something. Did you see this titled house and lot for sale? Here at we are here at Ilig-Iligan Beach. Wow, where did you get the titled house and lot for sale? Titled? Look, guys, with titled for sale. Titled house and lot for sale. Wow. Ayan, guys, with titled house and lot for sale. Mabuti pa siya may titulo. I think wala ang titulo dito sa Boracay, di ba, guys? Tax deck lang. Ito yung Ilig-Iligan. Ayan. Did you know, guys, this Ilig-Iligan, did you see this all jungled, this all jungled? I hear the chismis in the rumor of the rumor. They're going to make it like yung Ibiza daw. Alam mo yung Ibiza? Yung Ibiza daw, guys. Sana baka hindi na matutuloy kasi this is the part of the forest land, I think. I'm not sure if pas sila sa forest land. Kasi guys, so nakita nyo may mga bakod na siya. Oh. So maybe someone bought this already. This area. Ilig-iligan beach. Hiningal lang lola nyo.
Ito yung Yapak School, Elementary and High School. This is the Going Puka Beach. Ayan. The school here in Boracay, in Yapak. Mabigat? Mabigat? Oh, bibigyan kita ng ano, bibigyan kita ng pambili mo ng ano yun? Pambili mo ng lollipop. Pambili mo ng kasi mabait ka eh. Ayan guys, we are here at going to Puka Beach. Maraming ano dito guys, maraming bahay-bahay. May party-party. Ayan guys, yung iba dito nagigiba na rin sila for the roads setback. The 6-meter setback from the main road. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman. They starting knocking their houses.